Hello and welcome to another daily dose of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Saturday the 27th of January 2024, the year of 1 million transactions per second and more. BuyBSV.live, probably the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go, so let's start off with a little bit of 365 days of Bitcoin history. What has history got in store for us today? Let's find out. So much happening and so much going on. Where are we now? 27th of January. Look at this. On the 27th of January 2014, Blockstream was incorporated. Would you believe it? The biggest scumbags of all time who have orchestrated the largest financial fraud in history. Well, outside of the Nixon shock, that is. So let's have a look at these links here. Check it out. So this is OpenGov CA, Canadian Federal Corporation, Blockstream Incorporation. Blockstream. So overview, Blockstream Corporation, also known as Corporation Blockstream, is a federal corporation in St. Laurent Incorporated with Corporations Canada, a division of Innovation, Science and Economic Development Canada. The entity was incorporated on the 27th of January 2014 with corporation number, and then we've got currently entity status is the registered office location at Dr. Frederick Phillips Boulevard, Suite 644. The directors of the corporation include Reid Hoffman, Zhu Ping Kang, Shara Guindi, and Adam Back, and Estela Matea, for those of you who didn't know that. Well, let's have a look. Corporation changes history. Here we go. Activity. 27th of January 2014, incorporation. There we go. So all the information that you want there about Blockstream. It's actually quite hard to find when they were incorporated because it usually says just incorporated in January. I was just like, well, how do we find out where and when and who? But I eventually found it and got there in the end. So let's see what Churchbase says about this. I was just looking, there we go, Blockstream. Look, so we've got contacts 57, investors 31, total funding amount, unlock for fee, employee profiles, similar companies. Let's just have a bit of a nosy while we're here. So acquisitions. It looks like they have acquired Spondoolies Tech, acquired by Blockstream, Adamant Capital, acquired by Blockstream, and Green Address, acquired by Blockstream. Two of those acquisitions were in 2021. Alright. Contracts, what's this all about? What's these? Oh, they're contacts. Alright. Okay, interesting. So you have to pay to view their phone numbers, right? Okay, but they have a co-founding president, CFO, Chief Product Officer, Vice President of Product Management, Senior Vice President, Corporate Development, Senior Vice President, Global Head of Mining, Sales and Business, VP of Engineering, VP Solutions, Engineering Director, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Investors, let's have a look. Oh, you can't quite see them. Unlock for a fee. What's this? Mosaic Ventures. Cossol Ventures, AXA Ventures Partners. There we go, we got them. AXA Venture Partners have invested in Blockstream. No coincidence there. They've purposely invested in it to make it economically worthless and contractually illegitimate and turn it into a massive fraud. And so its total funding amount, employee profiles 11. Adam Back, Andrew Polstra, Basak Hazen, oh, I'm going to murder that name, Hasnedaroglu, Lawrence Nahum, Eric Severston, Jeff Brutes, Christian Decker, Francesca Hall. I wonder if they know what they're doing, like destroying Bitcoin. You know, do you think they were like, yeah, we'll join this lot to destroy Bitcoin and create the largest fraud in financial history? Do you think that's what they actually thought? And let's see what it says on CoinDesk. Blockstream by Matthew Kimmy. Blockstream was founded in 2014 to build financial infrastructure, no it wasn't, and applications based upon Bitcoin, outside of Bitcoin, to destroy Bitcoin. Blockstream was founded by CEO Adam Back, the creator of Bitcoin precursor Hashcash. Bitcoin Core developer Gregory Maxwell, would you believe, and 9 others, including Peter Wool, who was responsible for implementing SegWit. Eric Svesny, we just gone through these. Jonathan Wilkins, Austin Hill, George Timon. Other notable figures. Let's have a quick look then. Alright, just sends us through to there. Alright. That have worked at the company, including Andrew Palesterius, Samson Mao, Lawrence Nahum, Christopher Allen, and Macro Corallo. Blockstream has historically been a contentious organisation, yeah, to put it mildly, with the crypto community, yeah, because they destroyed Bitcoin, so people can't use it. Critics have asserted that that Blockstream could be a threat to Bitcoin's decentralized nature, yeah, because they own and control it. Well, the SegWit protocol anyway. While others have argued that it's necessary as it provides a source of funding for its Bitcoin developers. Dear, dear. Blockstream offers several products, including sidechain settlement network Liquid. So is that on the Bitcoin network? No, it's not. Bitcoin wallet Blockstream Green, a data feed for crypto traders. Again, encouraging shitcoining and trading to reduce the value of it. A block explorer, a Blockstream satellite. I think that's that is just absolute crap. A Blockstream satellite, pure gimmick. Allowing access to the blockchain without the internet. Oh dear, oh dear. Blockstream has also contributed to the development of a layer 2, meaning a protocol layer on top of Bitcoin, yeah, that starves the miners of the block fee, so they'll effectively go out of business. Scaling technologies, including Lightning Network, again, which is the second layer, centrally controlled by Blockstream, which is intended to facilitate speedier Bitcoin transactions while retaining its decentralized nature. That's massively hypocritical. It's completely centralized, so we'll just take that data that's got value, put it on the Lightning Network, and the Lightning Network goes down, you've lost it. Blockstream has maintained a blog since 2014 and posts its press releases on blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so there's Adam Back. So let's just have a quick listen to what Adam Back has got to say about Bitcoin, shall we? Marvellous speech here that you're going to listen to. Here we go.
Hi Adam, I got a question from a live viewer. So it's from Arnhem. In Arnhem they have the Arnhem Bitcoin Stopped initiative, which has got like 100 restaurants and bars and shops and all these sort of, they're actually accepting Bitcoin today. So they're kind of struggling with the fee situation right now. So they're kind of looking for a solution that's ready today, like something they can use as soon as possible. Now one solution you mentioned is to use off-chain services where people could, put a little bit of money somewhere off-chain at some service provider and payments happen off-chain. The other solution would be to use an altcoin that has very cheap fees. Do you think one solution is preferable over the other, and if so, why?
Fee estimation in some cases is quite bad. If you're paying a friend, you can probably afford to wait 4 hours and not pay a priority fee. So I'd encourage everybody to get a wallet that allows you to override and set your own fees, set them lower. Make sure to turn on replace by fees so that you could increase them later if you guess too low. Lightning, maybe they could be an early adopter of Lightning, but
that's not really ready yet, so.
Well, I mean, you can download and make transactions and stuff, but I agree that the wallet integration is not complete. You could have, I think some Bitcoin businesses have a tab, so you pay them and then you work your tab down and presumably you can cash your tab out if you don't use it, if they have repeat custom, or maybe the shops in the local area could make a shared tab or something in anticipation of, somebody in the local area who's a technology expert could make a local Bitcoin tab that's interoperable between the shops and some kind of app to do it.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Adam. Wow. Absolute genius. Yeah, that's right. Because to use Bitcoin, what you need is a technology expert that could, maybe, code up a tab, and you can work your tab down. Maybe you could use Lightning. Well, that's not quite ready yet. I agree, it's not ready yet. Honestly, and people think this goon actually invented Bitcoin. Can you believe it? What an absolute nincompoop. Anyway, so that's a little bit of Bitcoin history there. Let's have a look at some figures. Let's see what's up with what is going down. Price recovered a little bit, so we're looking at $72. Hash rate 0.19. Network nodes 0.28. Transactions 24.5. But look, block size still 97. Huge amounts of data coming through here. What are the block sizes? We've got half a gigabyte block there. 543 megabytes. Bit of a mixture there. So mining Dutch still producing a 17 megabyte block. No Zulu pool no Zulu pools there. Again, shit coining. A kilobyte block. Honestly, what is the point? What is the point? Anyway, they will come to reap what they sow sooner or later. You know, still scooping up a bit of BSV. You know, it's better than nothing. So it's currently 0.28% more profitable to mine on CoolCoin. Shows you the competition is picking up for Bitcoin though. 0.6% more profitable to mine on CoolCoin than Bcrash, and 2.2% more profitable to mine on Fisher-Price Cash than CoolCoin. But who cares? Because it's Bitcoin that is the real one. So let's have a look at the mining. Let's have a look at mining over 24 hours. Let's see who's doing what. Tau 0.09. Mining Dutch up to 0.04. That was 0.02 the other day. And I think Tau was 0.06. Now Tau is 0.09. Oh, it's knocking on to 0.1. It's knocking on to 0.1, which would be, So 1% is 100th. So that'd be 0.1. Yeah. A 0.1% of the overall hash rate. Let's have a look. So this is Bcrash. Fisher-Price Cash. Other miners now up to 53.4%. But this is Bitcoin. Tau with 54.17. Dutch mining 17.3. Zulu pool 1.39%. All right. Right. Let's just have it after having a look at the prices there. We'll just see what Tether's doing. Oh my goodness me! Look at that. That's literally just happened. When was that? So that was, it looks like it was just over an hour and a half ago. No, slightly more than that. So it was just early this morning, just after midnight this morning. Look at that. So it's gone from 95.5 to 96. So that's $500 million. 500 million. They just printed it from nowhere. And where's this gone in the last 3 days? 94.8 to 96. So $1.2 billion in 3 days. Trying to keep their scam going. Oh my goodness me. Right, so that would explain a price movement in BTC. So I wonder. Well, again, I mean, I wonder if they're actually just pumping Tether because Grayscale are dumping massively. Again, yeah, they're dumped massively, and then the market will completely fail. Yeah, it's the investors who have been hoodwinked, scammed by these scammers who are really going to suffer the most. They have no idea what's going on because they've been told to look at price all day and they're not looking at the fundamental figures. Oh dear, oh dear. Current market cap is $1.6 trillion. And of that $1.6 trillion, oh my goodness me, there is only $1.4 billion of genuine value. Oh, my goodness. So let's see what's going on. Oh, looks like we had a little bit of a price increase. That looks like it coincides with the Tether pump. I wonder if that's it. I wonder if that is exactly what happened to BTC. Let's have a quick look. Oh. No, doesn't coincide. It's like BTC went up and BSV just shot up. I wonder what caused that. That's interesting. I mean, just looking at the price movements now, just kind of like is an indication of the politics that's going on behind the scenes. That shot up real quick. Right. Interesting. Breakdown. This is so trade volume, CoinDCX, and liquidity. Still CoinW got the most liquidity of BSV out of all the exchanges. Interesting. All right, let's have a look at BSV compared to BTC. So still up on since October. So this is October, November, December. We're now in January. Still up on the quarter. But there we go. That is a quick 15-minute show. We will leave it there. I hope you enjoyed it. So just remember, the largest court case in financial history coming up on the 5th of February 2024. Stay tuned. We'll bring you more. And until then, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.